Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. We are currently zoomed in pretty tight here on a 7SCP18V side discharge. Specifically, this is a 3-ton model that we're looking at. The board that we see is part of where our dual 7-segment display is. This is where the side where our thermostat and everything is connected to. And we've got to zoom in on our SW1 dip switch controller. With the SW1, this is going to be where we are programming in the cooling performance, the heating, and the defrost options. This section is also where we will come if we need to put the unit into charge mode. For cooling charge mode, we'll actually be able to come in and switch all 4 of these switches to the up position or the on position. When it is put into charge mode, there's a minor delay. What it's going to do is it'll start reading out our subcool values, and it will ramp the entire system into 100%. The fan is going to ramp up, the compressor is going to ramp up. Well, what we're doing is running at optimal levels, the maximum hertz values for all of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this run for about 10 minutes, warm everything up, get our pressures equalized. It will stay there until we bring it back out of the mode. Note on that one is that it needs to be in a cooling call for it to go into a cooling charge mode. Now, if it's a heating season, we also know that it may need to be put into charge mode during that time. So with low ambient conditions in heating mode, switch the first 1 through 3 switches to the on position, leave number 4 off, and this will put the unit into a heating charge mode. In heating charge mode, we do not get a subcooling readout on the dual 7-segment display like we do with the cooling. Instead, it just reads the hertz levels. So we will need to have gauges connected to get a proper readout in the heating mode when we put in heating charge mode.